Hi, my name is Phil. Today we got an opportunity. We're going to put in a floor heating system in this small little bathroom. We're using an uncoupling membrane from ProVa. It's called ProVa Flex Heat. And we're also going to use warm tiles cable system. It'll serpentine around on the uncoupling and we'll have a nice warm floor. Okay, to make things a little bit easier for this installation, we're going to pre-cut the whole floor. The ProVa Flex cuts very simply with a regular utility knife. We'll form it around the whole floor, around the toilet ring, and then we'll mix up our thin set. Okay, I got my first piece rough cut in here. Our second piece, one important factor is to make sure that these line up so that the pattern stays consistent. That'll help when we're weaving our wire for the floor heat. Okay, ProVa Flex Heat is also an uncoupling membrane. Some people might not understand what that phrase uncoupling. It means that when we thin set this down, this fleece is actually thin setted down to our plywood. That still allows any movement of below our tile, and so that it won't be transferred as cracks through into our tile. It's just a great product to use. Okay, after we pre-cut our floor, mixed up our thin set. Now this thin set is a little bit looser. Modified thin set. It's looser than if we were doing a tile. So we want to key it into our substrate. Okay? And then we're going to put our quarter-inch notches. Roll it back into the wet thin set. I got a flow here that'll just help me to embed the material into the fleece into the thin set. We'll do that to the rest of the room. Good practice with an uncoupling membrane, just like with your tile. Pull back and make sure you got good coverage. Look at that. That's real sweet coverage. So now we're sure that this will be bonded real well to our subfloor. Okay, the thing I've been doing here is cutting a stencil here of the toilet footprint. You do not want your floor heat cables to go under the toilet. This is a good way that we can go around it without interfering with that part. Okay, we've already pulled our cold leads and our thermostat wire. Don't forget your sensor wire. Now it's as simple as putting the cable into the hubs. We're using a 3 spacing. And now we're going to go all the way to the shower, come back and forth this way. The end of our line will be underneath our vanity. Okay, I'm going to let you behind the curtain here. We put it as a 3 spacing, ended up getting towards the end of our line, and we still had too much wire, so we actually have to now redo this to a 2-inch spacing. So we'll redo the whole room again, and this will actually give a much deeper and warmer heat. Okay, you can see we had to actually make a different layout here. So this part here is in the main part of the floor, that of course will be the warmest. We were able to spread it a little bit under the vanity. Vanity has legs on it, so it's okay that we're above. If you have an enclosed vanity, do not put your floor heat underneath that. Our last step is to just insert this sensor in between a cable, and then we're all set. Alright, now with the floor heat actually installed here and checked, we can now encapsulate the wire. There's 2 choices. Now, we're going to do a backfill right now, let that completely dry, and then come back and do our tile. You could do it in one step where you literally are backfilling it, troweling in, and setting your tile all at the same time. We're just choosing this option for today. Mixed up our thin set again, a little bit wet, so that we can just kind of smear over and encapsulate the wires. Okay, now with everything backfilled, you can see how nice that the Flex Heat fills up. Thanks to our friends at ProVa for MD Pro for giving us the Flex Heat, and also for Warm Tiles for letting us have the floor heating system so that we can do this video. I appreciate everybody for watching. Thanks a lot.